Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Greene at home and welcome back to my kitchen. I bet you can guess what I'm making today. And look at this bag of chocolate chips. I mean, I have never seen a bag this big. My daughter picked it up for me from BJ's. Okay, I'm gonna get started. I have 1 1/4 cups of white granulated sugar in my bowl and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. I've got a cup of butter softening. It's been on my counter for 20 minutes and I'm going to cream that with my sugar. Okay, so I've added my 1 cup of butter and I just sliced it so that it would soften a little quicker. I'm going to cream the butter with my sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Okay, so my butter and my sugars are creamed together nicely. I'm going to add in 1 egg and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, so 1 egg and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla have been added, and I'm going to mix that thoroughly. Okay, in this bowl, I've got 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. Here's the cookie dough, and all we need to do now is add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Just gotta mix them up by hand. Here's the chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm going to roll a heaping tablespoon of cookie dough into a ball and put them on my parchment-lined baking sheets. So I've got a cookie sheet full of rolled cookie dough, and I'm using a glass, just a simple kitchen water glass, and I'm flattening the balls. Okay, these are all flattened out and ready to go into the oven. Okay, ready to go into the oven. Alexa, set a timer for 9 minutes. Okay, fresh out of the oven. Chocolate chip cookies. So I looked out my dining room window and I saw the postman walking away from my house. That meant he had made a delivery on my front porch. And I was so excited, you guys. I ordered a couple new Bibles from christianbook.com. When my hubby started his new job, he took our study Bible to the office with him, and he said I could order a new study Bible. And while I was online shopping, I spotted the She Reads Truth Bible. It's got a reading plan, it's got artwork. It's so pretty, and I love the poppy color. Today was a good day. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so to my channel, Mrs. Greene at Home. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Have a great weekend. Bye.